What's up, guys? Coach Courtney. I want to do a video. A lot of people want to start their own business. A lot of people looking for new opportunity, and that's great. But I'm going to tell you one thing I've noticed is that a lot of people want to make more money, and that's even better. But the thing about starting your own business is, yes, you want to make more money, but this is the beauty of starting your own business and being your own boss. It's not so much about the money. Money for me is number 3. I'm gonna tell you what number 1 is. Number 2 is I'm able to give customers a good quality service. Okay, so if I give them a good quality service, the money is going to follow. But my number one benefit for me, just my opinion, why I like working for myself, time, guys. Because you know why? Time is so valuable. See, you can always make more money. You have people that lose $1 million today, and then tomorrow they have another $1 million. But guess what? Once you lose time, you can't get that back. And that's the beauty of being your own boss and owning your own business. You get to do what you want to do when you want to do it. For example, me and my family has taken 6 vacations this year, and we have another vacation coming up in 2.5 weeks for Thanksgiving. Now, not to say that you can't do that if you work for someone else, but you have to ask for that time off, okay? Another thing too, guys, is I have the leverage and I have the time where I can focus on more things. If I don't want to work for a week, I don't have to work for a week. If I want to work like today, I did 1 job today. 1 job. And I was home by 1 o'clock, okay? And I didn't leave out the house to 10:30. So basically, I worked, what? Less than 2 hours today, did 1 job for $300 back home. Okay. Kevin did a few today. So my thing is this, is that when you want to start your own business, yes, you want to make money. Okay. But if you do everything right, you treat people right, you offer a good product, you offer a good service, the money is going to follow. So it gets to a point where I don't worry about the money. Okay. The money is going to come. As long as I do my part, as long as you do your part, the money is going to come, okay? But the best thing, the beauty about owning your business, your own business, is time, guys. You have time to work on your business, in your business, work on other businesses, take time off. I mean, you got family, you got kids. Now you can, attend your kids' certain activities that they have. You can actually create time for your spouse. You can say, okay, Wednesday is a date night. So on Wednesdays, I'm going to be off by 3 or 4 o'clock. So me and my wife or me and my husband can go and hang out the night. You don't want to work the weekends? You don't have to work the weekends. You don't want to work the whole week? You don't even have to work the whole week. Because why? It's your time. You don't have nobody to tell you when and when you can't work. You don't have to ask somebody, can I have this time off? Okay? And that's why I encourage anybody who wants to be their own boss, if this is something you want to do, okay, and not just in the cleaning industry, any industry, okay, is that your time is so valuable. Because like I said, we do not get time back. A lot of people waste a lot of time, okay? You can waste money and you can make a lot of money back. Okay, people do it all the time. Oh, I just lost 10 grand. Well, guess what? 2 days later, I made another 10 grand. People go bankrupt all the time, and next thing you know, they're back millionaires. But time, once it's gone, it's gone. So what I want to do is encourage anybody out there, okay? If you really want to work for yourself, okay? If you really want to make time for yourself, for your family, okay, create time where you can really work in your business, okay, work out of your business, okay, take vacations when you want to, hang around the house when you want to, spend time with your family when you want to. I would encourage you to start your own business, because the time the value of time is, like I said, there's nothing that can replace that. Okay, man makes money. Okay, money is man-made, but one thing man don't make is time. So guys, appreciate time. It's the most valuable thing we have. And like I said, if you want to be in a position where you can spend time with your family, okay, spend time with yourself, take vacations, take time off. Hey, start your own, okay? Because a lot of times, you know, we get so caught up in the money. The money. I got to make more money. I got to make more money. But what about time? What about time for yourself? What about time for your family? Yeah, you make a lot of money, but you can't even enjoy it because you're always working. And then when you want to take time off, you got to go answer to someone else. And then what if they say no? Okay? How many people have a job and someone didn't come to work and now you got to pull a double? Or now you got to stay late? You know? How many of you have asked for time off and you couldn't get it off? Okay? Or if you got it off, or you on some kind of, I mean, my wife's last job she was on some kind of point system. You only can get so much time off every quarter or every year. Okay? So if we wanted to do something, hey, she couldn't do it because they wouldn't let her get the time. Or if she did, she was penalized for it. That's not what we want. That's not what I want. And hopefully it's not what some of you want. So guys, something to think about, okay? If you really, really, really want to value your time, look at creating opportunity for yourself.